socks.
Hey, Dr. Sledge. Taylor wants to know if you have any socks that she could borrow. Okay, thank you.